Western Skies Podcast from the Casper Planetarium, April 9th, 2020, the Beehive Star Cluster. Located between the constellations Gemini the Twins and Leo the Lion is a very faint constellation, Cancer the Crab. Cancer is a difficult constellation to locate, particularly under the light-polluted skies of a city. This is because none of the stars of Cancer are brighter than magnitude 3.5. Compare that to the stars of the Big Dipper, which are all magnitude 2. The smaller the magnitude number, the brighter the star. While Cancer isn't a very interesting constellation, it is home to one of the most beautiful star clusters in the northern sky. The Beehive Star Cluster, or M44, in the Messier catalog, is one of the largest, nearest, and brightest of the open star cluster. Under dark skies, it is easily visible to the naked eye, and it's even more impressive in a pair of binoculars or a small telescope. In ancient times, the beehive was used as a weather indicator. If the beehive was not visible under an otherwise clear sky, it meant the approach of a storm. The beehive was first observed by Galileo in the year 1610. Modern telescopes reveal a star cluster consisting of about 200 stars, ranging in magnitude from 6.3 to 14. Photographs of the Beehive cluster show a wide range of colors from orange to bluish-white. The orange stars are cool, red giant stars that are nearing the end of their lives. The white stars are hot main sequence stars in the prime of their lives. Yet despite their different ages, the stars of the Beehive all formed about the same time, about 600 million years ago. While the Beehive is bright enough to be seen with the naked eye, it is very far away. Modern estimates put the distance to the Beehive at about 525 light-years from Earth. That means that the light we see from the Beehive tonight left there in the year 1495, 3 years after the famous voyage of Christopher Columbus. A particularly interesting fact about the Beehive is in the year 2012, astronomers discovered 2 planets orbiting around 2 separate stars within the cluster. This was the first time that planets had been found orbiting sun-like stars in a star cluster. These planets are what astronomers refer to as hot Jupiters, planets that are similar in size to Jupiter, but orbiting very close to their planet stars, about as close as Mercury orbits our Sun. To locate the Beehive cluster, look about halfway between the stars Castor, or Pollux in Gemini, and Regulus in Leo the Lion. Find the inverted Y shape and find the center star of the Y. Look just a little bit above and to the right of the junction, and you should see a faint, hazy patch of light. The best views will be under dark skies, away from city lights, and don't forget to take your binoculars. The Western Skies Podcast is a production of the Casper Planetarium. I'm your host, Rod Kennedy.